What is a toothache? Quite simply, it's a tooth that hurts. And how does it become hurting? Well, it's because there's some kind of stress on it. Typically, some kind of chemical stress, or otherwise known as a cavity. The cavity is developed through a chemical process that breaks down the hard nature of the tooth, the strong nature of the tooth, and it pinches the actual nerve. So it's like a pinched nerve in your shoulder. It hurts really bad because that nerve has something that's just really pinching it. It's grabbing it and it's sending these pain signals to your brain that tells you, my gosh, there's something not right in my shoulder. The exact same thing happens with a toothache. The cavity gets so big, it pinches or presses against that nerve in the tooth and tells your brain, oh my gosh, I got a toothache. That's simple. That's what a toothache is. All right. I hope that answers your question. Any other questions? Definitely leave me a comment below. I'd love to answer them for you. All right.